Hello guys, in this video I'm going to tell you when the is pronounced the and when the is pronounced the. There's a grammatical rule to pronounce the, sometimes the and sometimes the. So let's understand what the grammatical rule is. So you need to understand that when the is placed before a vowel sound starting word, then it is pronounced the, and when the is placed before a consonant sound starting word, then it is pronounced the. So you need to understand very clearly this one. The is sometimes pronounced the even before it is placed a consonant sound starting word when you want to emphasize. Alright, so look, there are 5 vowel letters and these 5 vowel letters make 11 sounds. And how can you understand that what these 11 sounds are? So to understand, it's very super easy. So see here, in Hindi o, a, e, horsai, dirghai, and in Assamese as well, you'll get 11. It is called Swar Varna letters. 11 letters are there, and each letter is making a vowel sound. So when you read an English word, and if that English word is making with a vowel sound, then when the is placed before that, then you just pronounce it the. For an example, I would like to give you, just like elephant, and when the is placed before elephant, then you have to say the elephant, the egg, the orange, the office, the honesty. But you understand here, the honesty, h is here, but h is a consonant word, but this word is starting with a vowel sound. That is why the honesty. Just like university, you need to understand here, university, it is starting with a consonant sound. U is there, it is a vowel letter, but it is starting with a consonant sound. That's why you have to say the university. But in case of X-ray, see, X is a consonant letter and it is starting with a vowel sound. So you have to say that the X-ray, European. European, see, you see, you have to say the European. Don't say the European, okay, because it is also starting with a consonant sound. So you need to understand, and that is super busy that when you have to say the. So when the is placed before, just like chair, the mobile, the cow, the house, because each word is starting with a consonant sound. I don't want to make this video too long. I hope that you have understood, and if you have liked the video, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get all the notifications related to the videos whenever we upload, and we'll give you so super videos so that you will learn something different in our channel. And if you have anything, questions or anything you want to ask, how to build up the confidence level, how to become a good speaker, how to become a public speaker, anything or related to learning English, you can write down in the comments and you can ask. And never forget to like and share the videos. Thank you, all the best. Bye bye. We'll see you in the next video.